So what is the public? On this video we will fix some basic errors in our WordPress website. If you guys facing some errors like this critical error, don't worry, I am here and now I will fix this error. So watch this video and you will get extra benefits. So if you feel this type of errors, you can fix it easily. Now why this type of errors are showing? If you make any plugin mistake or a website, if you remove or add extra codes in your site, so if you can this type of errors face. So now what we need to do? First we need to power admin panel, the hosting panel. This is my hosting panel and you can get your control panel username or password. After getting this, you need to log in your control panel. Okay, after login you need to find the WordPress installer. This is my WordPress installer, don't make any mistake. Go on this. After clicking this, it will show like, oh wait, I need some time. I'll be loading. Okay, it's showing like this. All hosting provider didn't use this type of page, so you need to search it manually. You can see this is still error. Now go here. It's still loading, I think. Okay, you can see this is WordPress, Joomla and PHP BB. So don't click it and you can see the installation option already in the upper. So click this installation. Okay, click this option. And you can see this type of install your website URL and created date, the PHP, the WordPress version, everything. So we need to go this deleted option in the right of the corner. You can see it's central. Okay, click this and after clicking you can see everything, every information of your website and the database you need to delete or save. I'm gonna delete every database for not facing errors in my future. So I am deleting everything. You can delete everything, for it's better if you delete everything. And now go scroll and you can see option. So again I will check site is not working. Now I am removing this, remove installation. You can see this, press here and you can say press the OK button. Okay, after pressing it will take some time, not much, some seconds or minutes. Hold up, don't lose hope. Okay, and is this successfully listed? We will go our website. So go website and make it reload. Wait, okay, now our website is fixed and what the heck. So you can see this is fixed and we need to install again the WordPress. Don't skip this part, this is the main part. Okay, if you're new in WordPress, so go this section. You can see installation option on left, click this option. Then you click this option and you can see this is your website information. This is the protocol. If you have site supported SSL or you configure it, so use www. Okay, if your site didn't support SSL, you can use this normal HTTP and make sure there is nothing. Okay, make it blank. If you see something like a WP, so remove it and make it blank. If this is your WordPress version, make it up. The latest version is good. So if you scroll down, you can see this is your website new name. Make a new name as you wish and the description. And this is the admin panel. You need to edit it. Okay, so now I'm editing this and add my name. Okay, I added. So you need to go the scroll. I scroll and you can see this type of option. Go scroll. I'm scrolling. Okay, you can see this installation button and press install. Okay, and you can see the WordPress is reinstalling in our site. So the patent, if need up to 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so I'll just see. Okay, you can see this is our admin panel. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel because I am new. My old channel is got distracted. So bye bye, see you in the next video.